Today I am going to talk about law of attraction again. So I have received one email in the evening today. So one person was asking what is law of attraction? Is it kind of a paranormal activity or some kind of black magic or something? So I didn't understand what you are saying in your videos. So just to clarify that, and I'll also give you very beautiful technique of manifesting and powerful Hawaiian prayer so that you can practice and you can manifest whatever you want in your life. So that is Ho'oponopono, that is a prayer that I will teach you today. So first of all, let me explain what is law of attraction and why it is not any kind of other paranormal activity or black magic. This is law of attraction is nothing but just an ability to attract anything in your life, whatever you want. So you have everything in yourself, like you have all the power. You are capable of doing anything. You are capable of attracting anything. We are any human being is capable of attract anything in his or her life. The only thing is we are only concentrating on the day-to-day activities or the people we meet in our life. So all the feelings and all kind of negative emotions, dark energies, because of that we are not able to reach our higher selves. We have to reach our higher self in order to manifest whatever we want to have in our life. So that is the law of attraction, where that is just you are leveling up yourself. It is nothing like anything very bad or something like that person asked. So it is very pure intention, and it is very highly followed by abroad and other countries than India. In India also it is coming slowly. It is not yesterday discovered thing or 1 month back, 1 year back. No, this is very ancient technique and very ancient way of manifesting. This is law of attraction. So I request you all to see the Secret movie to understand it better. Today I will give the details in the description box also, so that you can see the video, see the movie and try to understand what it is exactly, what is law of attraction, and how we can manifest in our life. That is a really beautiful movie, and also that inspires you to feel the emotion, what it is. Okay, so that is one thing. And law of attraction is not a magic that it will happen in 1 day or 2 days. So you have to practice and you have to manifest yourself, and you have to level up your emotions. Suppose we have some people we don't like in our life, maybe our friends, mother, father, mother-in-law, father-in-law, then husband, wife, friends, colleagues, so manager, higher boss. So sometimes we have very negative emotion towards them. What we do is we cannot express those negative emotions, we cannot shout at them, we cannot fight with them, right? So everything we will keep in ourselves, and it will pile up. What will happen is you yourself will become very toxic person, because then you won't feel yourself good at all. Like you feel yourself, you are very low in energy, low in vibration. You cannot feel any positivity from anybody, not even yourself. Even if you want to see in mirror also, you will not be able to say that what I said, like affirmations. When you see in the mirror, you cannot even utter the words like I am happy, I am healthy, I am beautiful. All these positive affirmations are there. So when you have negative energy, toxic energy inside you, you cannot even utter those words, and you will feel yourself very low. Like so many suicides are happening in this world nowadays. Not in nowadays, many a times we see in the newspapers, news and all. So why this is happening? Because they are not able to see themselves, they are not able to love themselves, they are not able to level up their energy. Okay, that is what is a basic problem. So first, as I told in the first video, you have to love yourself first. You have to love your body, then you have to love your face, love your mentality, love your everything about you, every part of your body, then every thought of your mind, everything you have to love. You have to accept yourself, otherwise no one will accept. So you have to love yourself, work on yourself, be strong, be stubborn. There will be one condition, you will reach a level that you will say that no, I can't do this. I mean, I am strong enough and I am correct. So when you are correct, you will be very strong to say the other person, even if your boss is blaming you, or your spouse, your mother, father, you will not be angry on them, okay? But you will be firm, you will be very clear in your talk. So that clarity will come. So the whatever you are talking, that clarity will come in your talk. Then whatever you are thinking, the clarity will come in your thinking also. So that you have to reach that level, so that you can have the peace, bliss of your life. You will enjoy your life. So every day morning you won't feel, oh my God, again the day started, don't want to get up from my bed, I'm happy here only. No, you will have some positive energy, that you will get up, you will start loving each other, even the paper boy, then dog on the road, then maid, even your wife, husband, everybody, every living being you start loving, even trees, plants, okay, birds, whomever you see, that automatic inner feeling will come, that you are in love with the like living creatures, then even the universe, then wind, air, universe, everything. So you feel so happy and positive. The way you walk, the style will change, I'm telling you. When you are walking on the road, the style will change, the confidence will be there. The moment earlier you used to be like bending your head down and not looking at others face to face, eye to eye. So this will change, okay? So you have to work on yourself, you have to talk to yourself. What is happening with you? Why you are like this? What's wrong with you? If you are sad, then you have to stand in front of the mirror and ask that what is wrong with you? What is happening here? Then why? So as if you are a third person, you have to question yourself and ask, okay? So to do this, I am telling you a technique. It is a Hawaiian prayer for healing. So sometimes we will fight or shout on others, then that guilt will be there inside us. Like we cannot take out that guilt. Then that guilt will eat us inner, like again and again it will be poking you. Why you did this mistake? This guilt can be anything. Whether if you have done any mistake, no one saw what you have done, but you know yourself that I have done a mistake, I have done this wrong, but I can't change it now because the past is past, it is done. Then what you have to do is, you have to forgive yourself, you have to heal yourself. It's okay, we are human, we can do mistakes and it will happen, it is natural, it is normal, but I won't repeat it again, okay? So this Ho'oponopono, this is a Hawaiian prayer where we will tell ourselves that I will, first thing you will say Ho'oponopono, I will write it in the description box. Then after that, I am sorry. So you are telling sorry to yourself. I am sorry the way I treated you. You are telling to your body. So you are a soul and you are talking to your body. I am sorry the way I treated you, or the way I understood you, or the way I suppress you, okay? So first sentence will be I am sorry. Then second sentence will be please forgive me. Whatever I have done to you, please forgive me. So maybe some people in this like in the depression and all, they do so many bad things, addictions, drugs, then alcohol, everything, so that you are harming your own body, right? So you are not pure enough because you are having all the bad thoughts, bad feelings, and it is harming your own body, in your own liver. Then you have to say, please forgive me. Okay. Then next sentence will be thank you. You are thanking to yourself that you are giving a chance to yourself to be alive, and you are giving a chance to be happy. So you are thanking yourself, you say thank you. The next thing, I love you. So you have to tell it with so much emotion and feel. You are loving yourself. So you have to say, I love you. Okay. Then these 4 words. First you will start with Ho'oponopono. Then I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And what is the last one? I love you. Then Ho'oponopono. So this prayer, this is a very simple prayer and very easy prayer. If you want, you can note it down in a paper or a notebook or in your phone also. So every day, once in a day, only 5 minutes if you do the prayer. Even if you are traveling, even if you are going outside or in a car or a bus or anywhere. So that time also you can just say this prayer. This is a very simple prayer. If you have time, then in the morning, I suggest you to do, when you are doing the meditation, repeat this prayer for 21 times for 21 days. This will do the miracles, and you will see the change in yourself, the peace of mind. Like you will experience that bliss, the feeling of love towards others, living things, whomever you see, the person you used to hate, but after this prayer, when you see that person, you will feel lot of respect, love, because you love yourself. Whatever the other person says, you are not taking. Even if other person want to insult you also, you are not taking that insult. So it's very, very powerful prayer. So everybody, I suggest you, I request you to do this prayer, and do this for 21 times a day and 21 days. As I told you, anything if you do for 21 days, it will become a habit. Okay, then unknowingly you will start chanting this. When your mind is occupied, when your mind is busy chanting this prayer, then you will not have any negative thoughts, negative feelings. Suppose thoughts will be generating in your mind, right? So you cannot stop your thinking. But when you start this prayer, your concentration will be on this prayer, and you will never feel any bad thoughts or something. Then you see the improvement. This I have tried 2 years back, in 2018 I have tried, and I can see very so much change in my relationships. Like I'm a working person, so in the workplace also I can see lot of positivity, lot of change. People started liking me, people started appreciating me, because I try to understand them. First of all, you have to offer your hand of friendship or love, right? Then only they will offer you in return the respect, the love, the liking, okay, the appreciation. So everything starts from you. Then it will come from others. But the same thing I'm telling you, don't expect anything. This prayer is to heal you, heal your heart, then heal yourself. This is nothing like you are doing to manifest that person, manifest this job, manifest that. This is the thing that you are leveling up. Your energy will be level up. Your energy will be increased, so that you can manifest. Because of your higher power, you can manifest faster using law of attraction. Okay, so please let me know if you like this video, and also practice this Ho'oponopono prayer for 21 days, and let me know how you feel when you meditate. Do this with feeling. Okay, I am saying it again. Okay, Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Ho'oponopono. Okay, once again for you. Ho'oponopono. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Ho'oponopono. Okay, like this, if you say 21 times, you will feel the result for 21 days. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will make many more videos like that. I have many techniques. So many techniques are there. So I will teach you slowly. Please have patience and try to understand what I'm teaching. What I'm saying to you. I'm not a teacher. I'm not teaching anything here. Just I'm expressing my feelings and my experience with you, so that you can be benefited with that. Okay. Thank you. Bye.